Did you know there might be a hidden danger quietly damaging your nerves right now, without you even realizing it? For people over 55, this risk becomes even more serious. Millions of adults struggle with tingling in their hands and feet, or that strange burning feeling in their legs at night, without knowing what's really behind it. This condition, called neuropathy, affects nearly 1 in 4 adults over 60. And what's truly alarming? Many everyday products, foods, and habits may actually be contributing to this nerve damage. Think of your nerves as your body's wiring system. When the insulation around electrical wires wears down, signals start to misfire. The same thing happens inside you. Each nerve has a protective coating, and once that coating breaks down, pain, weakness, or tingling soon follow. The scary part? This doesn't happen overnight. It builds slowly, year after year, and by the time symptoms appear, real damage may already be done. So, why do some people maintain strong, healthy nerves into their 70s while others begin to suffer earlier? And can we actually protect and even repair our nerves naturally? Stay with me until the end, because the answers could dramatically improve your comfort, mobility, and quality of life. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out in any of our upload. What exactly is neuropathy? Neuropathy simply means nerve damage. Your nervous system is like a massive communication highway, sending messages between your brain and every part of your body. When those pathways are disrupted, messages don't reach their destination. That's when you feel tingling, burning, or numbness, especially in your hands and feet. 2 major factors quietly damage our nerves every day. 1. The misuse or overuse of certain medications, and 2. The accumulation of heavy metals and toxins from food and water. But here's the encouraging truth. Your nerves can heal. Given the right conditions, they're capable of remarkable regeneration. Let's look at 7 hidden toxins that can silently harm your nerves, and what you can do about them. Number 1. Long-term acid reflux medications. If you've been using acid reflux medications for more than 3 months, pay close attention. These drugs reduce stomach acid, but that acid is essential for absorbing vitamin B12, a nutrient critical for nerve health. Over time, reduced acid means reduced B12 and the slow onset of nerve deterioration. If you rely on PPIs, talk to your doctor about regular B12 testing. Discuss periodic medication breaks or supplementation. Try lifestyle habits that naturally calm reflux, smaller meals, less caffeine, and probiotic-rich foods like yogurt or kefir. Number 2. Unmonitored metformin use. Metformin is one of the best-known medications for type 2 diabetes, but after long-term use, around 30% of users develop vitamin B12 deficiency. That means you could have excellent glucose control while your nerves quietly deteriorate. If you're taking metformin, ask for annual B12 tests, add natural B12 sources like fish, eggs, and dairy, and never stop your medication without medical guidance. Monitoring is simple, but it can make the difference between nerve health and nerve loss. Number 3. Overuse of ciprofloxacin and similar antibiotics. Ciprofloxacin, part of the fluoroquinolone family, can save lives, but it's a double-edged sword. Overuse has been linked to nerve and mitochondrial damage, sometimes causing neuropathy that lasts long after the medication stops. If your doctor prescribes it, ask about safer alternatives and stay alert for symptoms like tingling or muscle weakness. Support your recovery with hydration, probiotics, and antioxidant-rich foods. Antibiotics are powerful tools. Use them wisely. Number 4. Heavy metals in drinking water. Lead, mercury, arsenic, and cadmium. Invisible threats that can quietly enter your body through tap water. They accumulate in tissues over time, harming nerves and even brain function. Protect yourself by Protect. Installing an NSF-certified filter, testing your water if you live in an older home or use a well, and checking local water reports annually. Clean water means healthy nerves and a healthier brain. Number 5. Mercury in large fish. Seafood is healthy, but not all fish are safe. Larger fish like tuna, swordfish, and shark contain high mercury levels that directly harm nerve cells and slow brain function. Choose smaller, lower mercury fish like salmon, sardines, anchovies, or mackerel. They're rich in omega-3s, which strengthen your nerves instead of damaging them. Number 6. Uncontrolled high blood sugar. Diabetes is the leading cause of neuropathy worldwide. When blood sugar stays high, it damages the tiny vessels feeding your nerves, cutting off oxygen and nutrients. To protect yourself, keep your A1C below 7%, stay active with daily movement, and eat balanced meals rich in fiber and whole foods. Even small changes, like replacing soda with water, can start healing from within. Number 7. Chronic inflammation from ultra-processed foods. Processed foods loaded with preservatives, refined oils, and sugars create a constant low-grade inflammation, a silent fire that burns your nerve insulation from the inside. Trade processed snacks for real food, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, nuts, and seeds. Now that you know what to avoid, let's talk about how to rebuild your nerves. Try these science-backed daily habits. Test your nutrient levels, especially B12, zinc, and magnesium. Add nerve-supporting foods. Citrus fruit daily for vitamins C, 1 teaspoon turmeric with black pepper. Brazil nut for selenium, a handful of pumpkin seeds for zinc and magnesium. Move your body. Even a 20-minute walk increases blood flow to nerves. Elevate your legs for 15 to 20 minutes daily. It eases pressure and boosts circulation. Everyone's body is different. If you have kidney disease, pregnant, or taking blood thinners, always consult your doctor before making big changes or adding supplements. Personalized care ensures your plan is safe and effective. Nerve damage doesn't happen overnight, and neither does healing. But with consistent effort, your body can restore what's been lost. By reducing toxins, eating whole foods, and supporting your system, you can protect your nerves, restore sensation, and reclaim energy and focus. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with friends or family, and let us know in the comments. Which tip surprised you most? Your nerves can heal. They just need the right support. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.